If you hate an HOA but still crave a luxurious lifestyle in the perfect location in Palm Coast, then this is the home for you. Here you have an ideal split floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a full 2-car garage, and upgrades throughout. And with concrete block construction, a new roof, and a custom-built backyard paradise, everything you need to live your best Florida life is right here. So don't let this one get away. Message me today for a private tour.